Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to add code component in Framer. So first, you will have to make sure to listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, you have to make sure that you are logged into your Framer and that your project is open. So my project is right here, and let's just go ahead and click on that and wait for the project to load. And once you're in, you will just have to select your page, and then you will have to go to you will have to click this insert button right here, and then you will go ahead and look for code black or just code, and then just go ahead and click on that, and then again click on your um code black, and then after that a code component like this will appear on your canvas, and then you will just have to click the component, and then you will have to select edit code, and then which is right here, and then what you will have to do is click this. You will just have to paste your code right here, and then you can now write or paste your custom JavaScript, your TypeScript code, or whatsoever. So yeah, after editing, you will just have to click preview to test your functionality, and finally you will just have to click publish to make your code live on the website. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and this if this video helped, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.